Hey guys, super exciting day today. We just received our David Austins and we wanted to go ahead and share this moment with y'all. We are not going to pot them right now. As y'all can see, we're getting all this side of the house ready. We'll let y'all see a little bit afterwards, but we just wanted to go ahead and open it right now so y'all can see how they arrive. First time we ever get these through mail. So
as soon as you get these, it says please open as soon as possible after delivery, even if you are not planting immediately. Check the compost and water, roses as required until planted. So I think it's kind of fitting that we do this video,
yes,
since it's actually been pretty much a whole year since we did our first unboxing and our very first YouTube video with some proven winners plants. But we're doing the David Austins today, so it's kind of awesome that we were able to get these today. So
first of all, I love how they make the packaging is so pretty. I know it's just a box, but everything about them is always so pretty. And I just love the way the what is it, their name on there, the David Austin. It's just so beautiful, guys.
So before we get it open,
oh yeah,
so they actually send you this stuff here, the shipping label of course, and then what we actually ordered, they give you the labels for them. So we got 3 Gertrude Jekylls. Pretty excited to see these. These are some climbing, English climbing roses.
This is nice too.
Gives you a small little book as well.
It's called Rose Cultivation. Literally a little book on
How to take care of
instructions.
your roses, basically.
Yeah, instructions.
All right, so let's get these open real quick.
I'll go ahead and put these over here.
All right, so one thing to mention is you can order these in bare root. We got these in 2-quart containers. And as you've seen our other roses, they actually, the containers that we get actually come in bigger 3-gallon containers. These are 2 quarts, but the ones that we've gotten 3-gallon containers actually grow pretty fast. And we're gonna show you what these look like.
They're in there pretty nice and tidy, guys. And right now I can tell you, there's a lot of pretty color, meaning in the foliage.
So.
Oh wow. Oh, those, wow.
So as you can see,
are those the roots?
Yep. No, these are not the roots.
What is that on top?
That's what they put in there to keep the moisture in there.
You want to go show them closer so they can see that?
All right, so they got a little bit of straw or something in there to keep some of the moisture in, and of course they're in a bag, which keeps the moisture completely in here. But as you can see, they're nice and wet in there, so they're pretty good. But they got a lot of foliage in there. Let's actually get one of these out real quick and see what it looks like.
You want me to start removing all this?
Yep. Here you go. Look at that. Lots of growth in these guys.
And these are, did we mention the name?
Yep. These are the Gertrude Jekyll.
Oh,
pretty,
how pretty, guys.
Very, very satisfied with these things. They're gonna grow nice and tall. Like I said, our other roses we get in 3-gallon containers, they absolutely took off as soon as we got them in and started watering them and stuff like that. So once we get these in containers, they're absolutely gonna take off and grow.
Look at that color in the leaves. Just beautiful. They're super moist. Awesome. So super happy, guys. We just wanted to go ahead and share this moment, and I think we can go ahead and do a little tour of some of the ones that are blooming at the moment so y'all can see how fast these guys go. We have some that we just got, the ones that we just got from the nursery what, a couple of weeks ago.
Yep. And we already got some buds, already some flowers going.
Yeah. So maybe we'll get the camera and show you a little bit of what we're doing right now. We're working.
Actually, yeah, we'll get out the camera real quick and show you guys the other roses that we got and how fast they grew as well.
Yes. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and show you a little bit of what's going on the side of the garage before we head over to show you the rest of the David Austins. So we have some lilacs that we went ahead and purchased a couple of weeks ago, and going to pot them up soon. Then there's a viburnum here from Southern Living Collection. Don't quite know it's not a snowball. That's a different one. Then over here, guys, we're working on so many things. We have so many plants going on right now. All this wall right here, we put most of our things there for winter, just to protect them from the cold. So we are removing things right now, weeding that part of the wall of the grass, And then as y'all can see, all that's gonna go in the front bed over there. We have that flat over there of flowers, of phlox, and what is it? The grass. I forgot the name of the grass. The coral sedum. And then the azaleas are blooming. The rest of the little roses, miniature roses. We have Mr. T right there getting ready to get potted up, probably with some coral sedum. I'll do a video on him later. And just as y'all can see, whatever we have going on right there, just getting ready to clean it up. And we have the hydrangeas here, and these are two that we haven't shown. This is a Japonica camellia right there. Beautiful, and it's actually, it has another bloom, guys. Look at how pretty that is. And it's been getting hotter, so I'm probably gonna have to move her. The sun's getting a little bit more hot. And this is our quince. Show y'all pictures later. We'll do a whole talk about this one. It was blooming like crazy. But let's come over here. There's a mess. We're getting everything going over here, but let's head over and show you. Okay guys, so these are the ones that we just bought a couple of weeks ago. This is Teasing Georgia, and it looked nothing like this. If y'all go back to the on the video that Ambrose, when he went to purchase them, yeah, they were just bare root sticks. Yep. And they've put a lot of growth. It's actually, this one's a climber, so it's actually looking for something to climb on already. Very pretty color. This one's going to be a yellow color. Then we have another one that we just got this season 2. What's the name? Darcy Bustle, guys, and it's exploding. It's exploding with roses right now. So yeah, these roses are going to put a lot of blooms hopefully this season for us. They grow really quick. This is Weasley starting to get the blooms, and we haven't pot up anybody yet, but we finally started buying all the pots for them, and pretty soon going to go ahead and pot them up. And we have everybody else flowering right now too. Brother Cadfield is another David Austin. He's getting ready to go. So we are super excited right now. It smells, I wish, like I've always told y'all, that y'all could smell everything in here. Right now, this is the guy that's really, these 3 Harlequin are really scenting the area. You can even smell it all the way towards the back as you're going to the backyard. His scent is so strong. It reminds me of lemon. For some reason, very lemony. But this is what's going on with these David Austins. We have a couple in the back, other Davids. We'll go ahead and show y'all later as we're potting them up. And I gotta tell y'all something. Some of them, we've had a lot of rain, and we do have other varieties of roses, very beautiful roses that I'll show later. But with all this rain, they've started to show spotting. The black spot, and none of the David Austins have any spots, as you can see, not even the ones that are in the back. And I thought that it had something to do with the back, but no, it's just a type of rose. And these guys, that's why we love them so much, and we just share it with y'all. So if anybody just wants something very good in their garden and wants to enjoy them, go ahead and go with these guys. They might be a little pricey sometimes, but you know what, guys, it's so much worth it because you get to enjoy it. So I hope y'all got to enjoy this little mini tour that we had not planned at all, and can't wait to pot everything up, guys. See y'all later. Bye.